Let's learn how to blur a part of video in CapCut. If you are recording video and you want to blur some part of video, maybe that part is some face, plates on the car, and a lot of things. Because of that, I will show you how I'm doing that in CapCut Video Editing app. First, let's open CapCut Video Editing app and make sure you have a latest update of app. Then import a video you want to edit by tapping on plus button in the bottom of the screen, and then choose video from your gallery you want to blur. In choosing this video, if you want to have this video, you can download it from sitepixels.com. On that site is 100% free video. So when you import video from gallery, go to select a video, you add on layer 1, and that will open to you tools bar in the bottom of the screen on which you need to scroll to the right to find option called duplicate or copy. By tapping on that, you are duplicate video you add before. After that, your duplicated video will be selected, and tools bar in the bottom of the screen is for that video, and you need to scroll little on left to see option calling overlay and click on it. That option move duplicated video on layer 2, and that video you need to move on the start. Now you need to add blur effect. You will do that by clicking on effect button on tools bar in the bottom of the screen. That will show you 3 more different options, and you need to tap on first on calling video effects. After that, CapCut show you pop-up menu, will a lot of effects you can use. There is section of effects you can use. In this case, we need to use blur effect. That effect is on lens section, and when you come on that section, find blur effect and click on it. Now again, click on that effect. I open adjust of blur effect, and I always set it to maximum because I don't want it to be seen at all, but you can set it whatever you want. And when you do that, expand effect on whole video. Next step you need to do is to tap on overlay but in the bottom of the screen and select a video on layer 2 to show you tools bar. Then on tools bar, scroll to the right to find mask button, and when you find, click on it. That shows you a couple of different masks you can use. In my case is the best this square mask. And the most important step is to click in bottom left corner of the screen on button where is written invert. That option move blur from the outside to in, and on the video set blur on whatever part of the screen. Next, we need to make that to blur follow your video. In my case, that is plates on the car, so follow my steps carefully in order not to make a mistake. So move screen on part of video where blur disappears, and you can see in the right side of the screen little rhombus icon and tap on it. And when is that rhombus added, move blur mask on the next part of the screen and make that process over to end to make your video completely. You can see exactly how I'm doing that. Then when you finish, go to export your video and you are finished. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.